Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you one of my favorite DIY coffee scrub. Very simple, easy to make and also very effective. You only need fresh ground coffee, brown sugar and 100% coconut oil. Before we move on, I just wanted to let you know that this scrub is not only a great exfoliator, also moisturizes the skin with coconut oil. You can exfoliate 2 to 3 times a week or once a week if your skin is very sensitive. Overexfoliation is bad for your skin. This scrub removes dead cells, improves the texture of your skin and instantly gives you glowing, fresh and youthful skin. So without further ado, let's get started. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of ground coffee. Coffee helps reduce the appearance of cellulite on the skin, produce redness, wrinkles and fine lines, great for acne and dark circles. Now I'm adding 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Brown sugar keeps the skin healthy and glowing and helps to improve sun damage. I'm going to mix these 3 ingredients first before I move on to the next one. Last but not least, I'm adding 4 tablespoons of coconut oil. Coconut oil improves skin elasticity and collagen, helps to slow down the aging process and also reduce redness. Now I'm going to mix all the ingredients together. You can gently rub the mixture over your body or face and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. And rinse off with lukewarm water. Make sure to apply a strong moisturizer after exfoliating to lock in hydration. Exfoliation leaves the skin feeling soft and smooth. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share and do subscribe to my channel for more videos. Till then, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!